Walk-in showers have become increasingly popular in modern homes. They're not only aesthetically pleasing, but also offer numerous benefits, such as accessibility and increased home value. But what is the cost of walk-in showers? The cost of walk-in showers varies widely, ranging from $12,000 for basic models to over $20,000 for luxury versions, influenced by size, materials, design, additional features, and installation complexity. Here's a detailed breakdown of the cost of installing a walk-in shower provided by a shower remodeling service company. Factors influencing the cost of walk-in showers include size and design, materials used, labor costs, additional features, plumbing requirements, preparation and waterproofing, demolition and disposal, and accessibility features. Let's break down the costs associated with installing a walk-in shower. This breakdown will provide a clearer understanding of how different elements contribute to the overall expense, helping you plan your budget effectively. Basic models. Price range. Generally, basic walk-in showers can range from $8,000 to $13,000. Features. These typically include a simple shower pan and a basic glass door or curtain. The materials are often prefabricated and more budget-friendly, such as fiberglass or acrylic. Installation costs. If the installation is straightforward and doesn't require major plumbing changes, labor costs can be on the lower end. Mid-range models. Price range. Mid-range models usually cost between $12,000 and $17,000. Features. This tier often includes better quality materials such as ceramic tiles and sturdier glass doors. You might also find additional features like a built-in bench or a higher quality shower head. Installation costs. The cost can increase if the design requires moderate adjustments in plumbing or if the materials are more complex to install. Luxury models. Price range. Luxury walk-in showers can start at $18,000 and go up to $25,000 or more. Features. These high-end showers can include custom designs, top-quality materials like natural stone, and advanced features like multiple shower heads, steam systems, and digital controls. Installation costs. Installation is typically more expensive due to the complexity of the designs and the need for specialized labor. Custom work may also require more time, increasing labor costs. Additional costs to consider include plumbing modifications, waterproofing, demolition and disposal, permits and inspections, accessibility features, and unexpected expenses. Always budget for unforeseen issues like hidden water damage or outdated plumbing, which can increase costs. The final cost of a walk-in shower installation will depend on your choices in design, materials, and additional features. It's important to get detailed quotes from contractors and to budget for unexpected expenses to ensure a smooth renovation process. Pricing of walk-in showers. Walk-in showers are a modern, stylish, and practical addition to any bathroom. They offer enhanced accessibility and a sleek look, and they can significantly boost the value of your home. While the initial investment for installing a walk-in shower can vary widely based on size, materials, and additional features, the long-term benefits often outweigh the costs. When considering a walk-in shower, it's important to factor in not just the upfront costs, but also the long-term maintenance and potential savings in water usage, especially if you opt for water-efficient fixtures. Whether you choose a basic, mid-range, or luxury model, a well-planned walk-in shower can transform your bathroom into a more functional and appealing space. Remember to carefully consider your specific needs and preferences, consult with professionals for installation, and be prepared for any additional costs that might arise during the renovation process. With thoughtful planning and a clear understanding of costs and benefits, a walk-in shower can be a valuable addition to your home.